Here are the uses for your captain chair seats. You will have here your foldable armrest. Here at the bottom, you're going to have your slide if you lift up. At the left bottom, you're going to have a little handle that you pull up and you can recline down. Remember, you will have your child anchors in here. And if you need to swivel the chair around, all you need to do here, this little lever right here underneath your chair, just pull it and that will swivel your chair however you want to. Now, the front chairs. Here, you're going to control it on your door panel. Go up as much as you can and make sure your head is leaning. Here at the front, just pull it and this should swivel your front chairs as well.